Hi guys, welcome back to this YouTube video, and in this today's YouTube video I'm going to teach you how you can be able to automate your GitHub workflow, and also I'm going to teach you how you can be able to publish your website on GitHub. So let's get started. So first thing first, ignoring the fact, I'm just saying the prerequisite for this video, you must have GitHub, and to create GitHub is very easy. Go to github.com and create an account. So when you create an account, there is something that we call repository. So repository is where you put all your code. As you can see here, this is my repository and its name is called website.dev. So if you don't know the what you call it, the basic of creating GitHub page and the basic of Git, you can comment down below and I can teach you how to do it. So for this part, I wanted to teach you on how you can be able to put your website on the internet, and I have few of my pages on the internet. So let me show you one page I have already used for GitHub. So let me show you. I have this one called loan calculator. I have already put it on GitHub. You can see it here, and maybe I'll give you the URL. You can visit it if you want. It's a basic calculator for calculating loan, and now I want to teach you from start to the end on how to have a GitHub page. And already I have this simple website I have created. I was learning, so let me show you how it will look like. So this is Visual Studio Code. If I have already installed Visual Live Server in order to see the page, so this is how the page will look like, and I have already pushed my code to GitHub. For this code is called HTML basic. So if I go here in my repositories, so this is my page. This is the one that GitHub is serving. So if I go to, I have already deployed it, and I'll teach you how to do it. So this is how it looks like, but this is what I have already added. I have already added some few CSS styles. That is why it's look good on this part. So there is a difference. So I want to teach you how to create that GitHub page. So you will come to your settings, then go here below at the pages. I have already done this, but don't worry. So let's say deploy. What you will do, you will say deploy from a branch, then you select main here, then you select root, and for your part this button will be activated. That is, you will press save and wait for a few minutes. You go to code and refresh this page. Here you will see deployment, and when you click here you will see this is what you will see, and this is the URL you will see for opening the page. So that is how you can be able to set up the GitHub page. I would have taught you step by step, but I had some few errors, but that is the flow. So Now you have gone back to your Visual Studio Code and you have added CSS, and now you want to push this new code to your GitHub, but you don't want to go back to the whole process of going to pages, going to settings and pages, and basically because we are all lazy, we don't want like to do this all again, to do this again and again. So whatever you do, you go to GitHub Action. So you go to the same flow settings page, then here this drop down button is where you will choose GitHub Action, and then something will happen on your code. This workflow is created, and it's just a code to tell GitHub whenever this person pushes code to GitHub on this branch, you update all the code so that the new code is displayed on this website. Let me the new code is deployed. Where is that? So this is what the instructions are here. You don't need to know everything, but just know the basic of what is happening. So whenever a new code is pushed, this will be updated. You can see the last part was deployed 18 minutes ago, but now we want to do it right now and see. So we go to our GitHub, we added, so let's add something. Let's add something like styles.css. Then here I want to what should I do? This is the style.css here. I want to move it to this page, so I'll come and select all of it. We press Ctrl X, then we delete this part. So we go to our styles.css, then we paste, then we save, and now our GitHub, because I have already added Git here, it has detected the changes. We can say here, we call it commit message. We can say moved CSS to new page, then we commit, you say yes, then we sync this. We have this sync because we have already added the GitHub extension here. So we go to git extension, then we sync. Let's sync, and it's already gone. So we go to our website, let's refresh, and you will see something here. You can see moved CSS to the new page. Now our what we have already pushed is being deployed here. So this is the original part, but after this thing has finished, what do we call it, when this is finished, if we go and refresh, so let's refresh here, you will see our new code. What is happening? Move the CSS, HTML basics. Did it work? Yes, it worked. Why? Something is not working right. Let me configure it. Okay. The name was HTML basic. That is where I pushed the code. Okay, I did something wrong here at my code. I did not link the style.css together. So let me link it here. That is why. That is the error. So my page is styles. So now this is fine. We have fixed that error. Fix error on CSS. And the good thing about automation, if you make an error, you must know what the error has done, but the automation will work. So let's synchronize the changes. But the good thing about automation is very fast. You can see I've done it for a few seconds, but if you go here to deployment, you can see like it has already detected and it's already working on the it's already working on the code. Within some few minutes it's already done. And the good thing about using workflow, you are not going back to do the thing again and again and again. It's just doing it out of it's doing it automatically. But basically you have to understand where are the errors, fix the errors. And because in automation, if you make error, the error will just be replicated. So let's wait for a few seconds and it's done. If we go, what is happening? Something is not working right, because if we go here, this is what I expect, but I'm not getting it. So this is what we have for the workflow. I think I have some errors, but generally that is the workflow. It will work on your side. You don't have to worry. You don't have to worry for everything. So that is the end of this video. I'll fix my errors, but basically that is what we have learned for today: how to use GitHub and use GitHub workflow. You follow everything that I have taught you and it will work like magic. GitHub workflow. See you next time. Bye bye.